In this part, we'll discuss the structure of a one-to-one. There's 6 parts to it: the introduction, active listening, connecting to professional learning, talking about the program, about early career learning labs, wrapping it up, and then what you do after the one-to-one. Just a reminder, a one-to-one is face-to-face. It's one-on-one. It depends on our restrictions at that point. You may need to do it on the phone or via Zoom. It should be about 30 to 40 minutes, and you are 80% of it listening and only talking 20%. Make sure you honor that time. And then a list of what it's not. It's not chit chat. It's not therapy. It's not sports talk. It's not trying to get recruiting someone to join the union. It's really learning about a person. Additionally, this is a list of do's and don'ts that go along with a one-to-one conversation. The most important piece for you, I think, today is this handout, this resource that we have for you. I'll switch to it so you can see the whole handout. This is what it looks like. What I like about this is you'll notice, first of all, it has those 6 pieces that we stated: introduction, active listening, connecting to professional learning, talk about the program, wrap it up, and after the one-to-one. And what I like about it is it has questions and samples that you can use in each one of these parts. Probably my favorite question to really get it going in the active listening is the last question you see in active listening, which says, where do you see yourself in 5 years? I like that because anyone can answer that question. It's not specific to one job type or one career path. Anyone that you know can answer that question. So I really like that. I feel like it gets the ball rolling, and it's something that I'm very comfortable with. So you have an activity. In your reflection journal, it talks about it, that you should choose a partner of someone you would like to get to know better. It doesn't need to be a teacher, whoever you want, because this is your practice relationship building activity. And you're going to use these questions, some areas that you might explore together, but this just shapes the conversation. It is not meant to be scripted. Do not feel like you have to answer every single one of these questions. This is just some ideas to get you moving forward and thinking about it. And then finally, after your conversation, you are going to reflect on the conversation and take some notes. What values did you share? What skills, hopes, and concerns do you each bring to the work? Really, this last question was very important to me. How can you keep building this learning relationship? Because we need to not think of one-to-ones as a one and done conversation. One-to-one these relationships need to be maintained. And so you have to give time and intentionality into it. So you have to keep building it. It's not just a one-to-one conversation, have your hard ask and you're done. So I really appreciated that question.